Well, Dave, we're here on their job, this section they're working on today. You can see they've got, from earlier today, they just went ahead and tacked this in spots and so they could weld the seam. So they're watertight.
Oh, yes.
I mean, I think they started laying up sheet about 9 o'clock, I'm going to say, and they had this thing laid up, welded, tacked in place before they went to lunch about probably 12 or 1 o'clock this afternoon.
Correct, yeah.
I mean, this is probably, I want to say, pushing 200 squares they've got. And they're going to be done with this, I don't know, another couple hours.
Yeah.
It'll be completely done. And again, this is the perfect storm for a rhino bot.
It is, wide open.
Wide, very few penetrations.
Very few.
How they utilize their sheet, they utilize it as a wall flashing along this.
Right.
You know, again, eliminated a two-piece flashing, you utilize a rhino bond versus,
Yes.
you know, if you do mechanically attached.
Yes.
You know, cold weather install.
Can you feel that wind? You got your wind uplift here.
Yeah.
All right, better wind uplift. It's a perfect place.
Yeah.
Right.
You just can't, you know, reiterate enough the advantages of the rhino bond system versus other systems.
Absolutely.
Again, is it an end-all cure-all? No. This is the right job for the right system.
Right.